Welcome back everyone. We'll be making a progress bar using HTML and CSS only. So let's begin. Let's create a container, and into that container we'll add a progress bar. That is it for HTML. Let's move to CSS now. Okay. Let's give the body background color of grayish. Set a height for div 25 pixels. We can change it later if we need it. Now we will design our container. Let's add position to be absolute. Top 50%, left 50%, and transform translate -50%, comma -50%. Do not forget to apply this comma, otherwise this property will not work. We are using this so that we can bring our container into the center of our page. We can check it. Open with live server. Alright, so nothing is here currently. We haven't edited the progress bar yet. Alright, let's add few things further that we need. Let's add width to be 40%. Of course, we do not want our progress bar on the entire page. Let's add margin auto. Border 3 pixels. Of course, we'll add it solid. And for now, we'll just add color black. Right. And we will add background color for our container. We can add for now blue. We will change it later. And now add shadow for the box. 0. We have added box shadow of blue. We didn't move it to anywhere. We just added a blurry part to our container box. Now we will edit progress bar. So let's progress once. Let's recheck it. PROGRESS. You can just simply paste it here. Right. Width 0%. One more thing, we forgot to link style sheet. That's very dumb mistake. Everything has changed, and so try not to repeat this mistake. This is how our interface is looking. It is very much bad, but let's edit it. We will need to change few things. We will add animation so that it can start from 0 to 100%. It will be looking to be filling. So let's give this animation name of progress for 3 seconds and absolutely infinite alternative. Adding infinite will keep the animation infinitely. Now for this animation, we will add a keyframe. Keyframes are used to edit animations specifically. Do not forget about it. On 0%, the width of our progress bar would be 0%, and on 100, it will be 100%. There we go. Okay, it is not very good looking. Let's change the colors. So the first thing we need to change is this border, and we need to reduce the blur to 15 pixel. Alright, and to change the color. Oh no. Okay. Alright. We can give another color to this border as well. We can give it a darker version of this same color. Okay. Seems better. Let's reduce the blur to 10 pixels. 14. Alright. We have to reduce its opacity. Okay. And we can also change this color to dark blue or purple. Basically, whatever you want, you can give this color. Okay, this was it. And we can also add here, for example, a 60% and add a width of 40%. With this, we can get a break that usually we see look into the websites. This will give a better user experience. So this was it. This was very simple progress bar. This is a zoom in version. Okay, so this was HTML and this all was CSS. That was it for this video. Goodbye, take care, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Have an amazing day. Bye bye.